How to read nutrition labels for weight loss.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to lose weight, one of the most powerful tools you can use is right on the food packaging, the nutrition label. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to read nutrition labels so you can make smarter choices, avoid hidden calories, and stay on track with your weight loss goals. Have you ever thought you were eating something healthy, only to realize later it was loaded with sugar or hidden fats? Yeah, me too. By the end of this video, you'll know how to spot the tricks food companies use and read labels like a pro. The very first thing to check is the serving size. This is where a lot of people get misled. If the label says 90 calories, but the serving size is 1 cup, and you eat 2 cups, you're actually eating 180 calories. Always adjust for how much you're really eating. Next up, calories. For weight loss, calories in versus calories out is still king. Use the calorie section to see if that food fits into your daily goals. As a rule of thumb, snacks under 200 calories and meals around 300 to 600 calories are usually good targets, depending on your plan. Macronutrients. Protein. Protein keeps you full and helps preserve muscle while losing weight. Aim for foods with at least 5 to 10 grams per serving. Carbs and fiber. Carbs aren't bad, but look at the fiber. A higher fiber number, 3 grams or more, is better because it keeps you satisfied and stabilizes blood sugar. Fats. Not all fats are bad. Focus on healthy fats like nuts, olive oil, or avocado. But keep an eye out for saturated fat. Try to limit it and avoid anything with trans fat. Sugar and hidden ingredients. This one's huge. Added sugars. The American Heart Association suggests limiting added sugar to 25 to 36 grams a day. A single soda can wipe out your whole day's limit. Also, check the ingredient list. Sugar hides under names like corn syrup, dextrose, or cane juice. On the right side, you'll see the percent daily value. Quick tip: 5% or less equals low. 20% or more equals high. So if fiber is at 20%, that's awesome. But if saturated fat is at 20%, maybe skip it or eat in moderation. Let's do a quick example. Here's a granola bar. Serving size, 1 bar, 210 calories. Protein, only 2 grams, not very filling. Sugar, 12 grams. That's 3 teaspoons of sugar. Fiber, just 1 gram, not much staying power. So even though it looks healthy, it's basically a candy bar in disguise. And that's how you read nutrition labels for weight loss. Remember, check the serving size, calories, protein, fiber, and added sugars. Once you get in the habit, it becomes second nature. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more weight loss tips, and drop a comment below. What's the most surprising thing you found on a nutrition label?